doing, folks? James Farrer here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today this absolutely stunning 201D BMW 3 Series 330i M Sport Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this Portino blue metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front. It has the black high gloss shadow line trim surrounding it, the BMW LED headlights, the front parking sensors. Since this is an M Sport, you have the M Sport aerodynamic body pack. Come around to the side, you have the BMW Y-spoked alloys on run flat tires with the blue brake calipers and the M Sport badging. You have the black high gloss shadow line trim carried throughout the car, the shark fin aerial up top, the privacy glass in the rear, the illuminated door handles. Come around to the back, you have the rear spoiler, the BMW 330i badging, the rear LED taillights, the upgraded twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors, the rear camera to give you that complete 360-degree parking view, the rear vents as well, and the automatic trunk. You have the collapsible rear seats to give you even more trunk space, and the first aid kit as well. This 330i both looks and sounds incredible. Absolutely stunning car. Let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital cockpit with real-time travel information, the multifunctional BMW paddle shift M Sport steering wheel with features such as cruise control, speed limiter, voice control, the ability to accept or decline calls. You also have the media control that appears on your heads-up display. It's a little hard to see it just through the camera, but that projects your speed and radio stations and other sorts. You have the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen. It allows Apple CarPlay as well. You have the BMW iDrive system that allows you to quickly access these features such as sat-nav navigation, enhanced Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, communications, connective drive, and many other extras. The interior comes in an oyster white Dakota leather with a hexagon aluminium trim finish. The automatic transmission, fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, fully electric mirrors as well. You have the ambient lighting surrounding the trim. Right now it's in M Sport Blue, but you can choose from a range of different colours. You have the Harman Kardon sound system, the heated seats. You have the sports mode, comfort mode, eco pro mode, adaptive mode, the automatic handbrake, the auto hold. Like I said before, you have the 360-degree parking sensors with parking assist and reversing assistant. You also have the reversing camera. This is absolutely stunning and incredibly well kitted 201 BMW 3 Series 330i M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Farrer, and I hope you enjoyed this video.